mammogram procedure utilizes low-dose X-rays to observe and identify changes in breast tissue. A woman's breasts consist of glandular tissue, ducts, fat, connective tissue, and blood vessels. If you notice a change in your breast tissue, such as a lump or mass, or if you are at least 40 years old, your doctor may schedule you for a mammogram. The mammogram typically takes about 22 minutes. A technician will initiate the process by placing one of your breasts between two specialist ED plates. These plates will compress to flatten your breast, allowing the camera to capture clear images of your breast tissue. You may experience some discomfort during the compression, but it will only last a few seconds. This procedure will then be repeated on your other breast. Following your mammogram, you may be requested to wait until a radiologist reviews your X-rays, enabling additional pictures to be taken from different angles if necessary. As a mammogram is a straightforward outpatient procedure, you will be able to return home immediately after the test.